The Hornet Rock Drill is the latest advancement in drilling gas leak detection and extraction holes. Its design gives a clear advantage in terms of efficiency, safety and speed compared to our competitors. The Hornet drills concrete, asphalt, brick and dirt. It's compact, lightweight and easy to move. Also, it's spring-loaded and has squeeze grip controls. The Hornet takes the drill out of the hands of the operator. This isolates the machine and reduces vibration. The unit feeds the drill in and out, which allows the operator to stand in an upright position to help prevent injuries. The Hornet is lightweight at 49 kilograms, hand-arm vibration is 1.9 meters per second squared, and noise level is 103 decibels. It's compact, easy to move, with high and low pickup points for simple lifting. Call us at MBW Europe on 01204 387 784 or email saleseurope@mbw.com.